just show up.
Yeah, are you even taking this seriously?
Sorry I'm late.
Right, strongholds, blah-de-blah-de-blah. Now I say we go over our lion choreography one more time. I don't want a repeat of what happened last time, hunk. He was gonna be here. He's going to ruin our show.
Help in the fight against Zarkon.
Oh, fine. I don't even know why I try. They're loving us! Razzle-dazzle! We gotta get that ship out of the tractor beam.
I'll try to ram it out. Cover me.
Yeah.
No way!
And not just the team, the refugees as well.
Part of it? What's the other part?
Could take weeks, maybe months to pull off, but if there is a chance.
Yeah. Who am I gonna make fun of?
You're right. Good luck.
Hey, while you're out, will you look for some more Fluto beans?